And today we have about an hour. So in this hour's time, what we're going to do is we're going to cover how to optimize gate location in order to reduce molding defects. I'm Harshal Bogesra. I've been in the molding industry since last 9 years now. Working with the clients who are frustrated by production problem, and they're trying to figure out, is it coming from the gate design, runner design, or is it coming from the tooling or processing, right? So we're going to put some light into it, and let's get started with our journey. So this is going to be the outline of our presentation. We're going to talk about some gating, thumb rules when we are figuring it out what kind of gate we need for our parts. We're going to talk about L by T ratio, which is length or flow length over thickness ratio in optimizing the number of gates we need. And then we're going to talk about, which is my favorite part, the case studies on how some of our clients are utilizing the technology in their day-to-day molding operations. And so we're going to have some of the examples. So let's get started. So what are some of the considerations when optimizing the gate? So there are several factors that we need to consider when designing the gate, and we want to make sure that the gating location and the strategy we choose is the best for our parts. We need to consider the flow length, right? The next thing we need to consider is how the packing is going to influence the part design. And based on the packing, we need to figure out what would be the optimized gate location and the size for our part. If your plastic part is going to be aesthetic in nature, like it's going to be on the outside, and if appearance is a concern, then we will need to have a deeper look at the well lines and also the gas traps or air traps that are building up, and we want to make sure that they don't affect the aesthetic or appearance of the part. We're also going to focus on hesitation and race tracking, how the flow hesitates when filling inside the cavity. So these are some of the things we need to consider while optimizing our gate locations and the sizes. So what are some of the rule of thumbs when optimizing your gate location? So first thing is we need to understand the thickness of the part, right? And how it plays a role in deciding the gating locations. Another thing is the flow length by thickness ratio of the part. That will tell us how many gates do we need inside the part. Are we okay with having a one gate, or do we need more than one gates inside the part?